मुझे मोहब्बत है, मोहब्बत है, मोहब्बत है। हम सबको किसी न किसी से मोहब्बत है, राइट? पॉइंट इज वो मोहब्बत आप अचीव कर पा रहे हैं क्या? किसी को बिजनेस से मोहब्बत है, किसी को किसी हेल्थ से मोहब्बत है। So how many people, how many of you actually have some big resolutions, big goals in life? Adnan?
Very big goal.
Very big goals. And how many of you, please, thank you. How many of you have accomplished those goals?
Process.
5%, 10%,
Process.
some in work in progress. Great. The reality of life is today is the last meeting of the year. Do you realize that? जब ये साल शुरू हुआ था, when the year started on 1st of January, we had high hopes. लोगों ने जिम ज्वाइन करे, लोगों ने बिजनेस टारगेट सेट करे, and now in just a few days we will be ending the year. This is the time to look back. How much of it has been achieved? कितना आपने अचीव किया है? And this is the time to introspect. क्या अगला साल भी ऐसे ही जाने वाला है या आप उसको बदलना चाहते हैं?
बदलना चाहते हैं।
How many of you would like to live an extraordinary year 2026? Raise your hand. In fact, both hands. ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर। गोल डेफिनेटली अचीव होगा क्योंकि गोल गोल होता है। So if you are clear about accomplishing and creating an extraordinary year 2026, then I have something very, very simple, very, very potent and very, very effective. I can guarantee you that if you focus over here for the next 12 minutes, it will change your entire destiny. Ready? Now, we'll have to understand why our life is going the way it is going. Why? Because most of the people in the world are sleepwalking through life. We think we are living, but we are merely existing. We are breathing, but we are not living our life. The question is, what is holding us back? Because we are not even realizing the gift of life that we have got. So in this moment, I want you to realize those things. Very simple, but the moment you get that, your life will be altered. Clear? Next slide, please. So the core about achievement, we have something called a time problem. How many of you say कि यार टाइम नहीं है, करना तो मैं चाहता हूँ, करना तो मैं चाहती हूँ, but टाइम नहीं है. So let me share this with you. It is not a time problem. सबके पास 24 घंटे हैं. The difference is, you also have 24 hours. Mukesh Ambani also has 24 hours. Mukesh Ambani is creating 100 crores for 24 hours. 100 crores profits, not turnover. More than that actually. Question is, how much are you creating in your life? And if you are clear about that, if the difference between Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani is clear to you, then you can work on those parameters. The focus over here is, if you want to really create some extraordinary results, everybody raise the hands, right? Then the next thing which is coming on the screen, you have to just focus on. We are needing purpose in life. Most of the people, they believe कि एक goal achieve करना है और वो goal achieve करने के बाद कहाँ अटक जाती है गाड़ी? Where does the things stop? एक लंबी to do list बन जाती है. ये एक्शन करना है, ये एक्शन करना है, ये एक्शन करना है, ये एक्शन करना है. 365 दिन के एक्शन आ गए, लेकिन एक्शन कितना होगा? जिम में ज्वाइन तो कर लिया, लेकिन कभी गए नहीं. visiting faculty. So note this down. Your results are a function of purpose. If you don't have a purpose, it will not get achieved. We'll be talking about it. And followed by massive actions. Good morning. Yes. So let's look at this. How many of you have a to-do list? एक लंबी चौड़ी धोबी लिस्ट है हमारे पास. Lottery list. ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. How many of you have a long list of work which needs to be done?
Yes.
Everybody has it. And उसमें से कितनी चीजें होती हैं? 2 या 3. तो हम अपना जो सारा समय है कहाँ बिता रहे हैं? Distractions में बिता रहे हैं. So my guru, my coach, and this is what I learned after spending over 1 crore. He told me something very simple. You know, Neeraj, what is your biggest asset in life? And I said, you tell me, because मुझे मालूम है कि मैं बोलूँगा वो उसका कुछ जवाब दूसरे ही आने वाला है. He said the biggest asset of your life is your focus. Focus.
Focus.
If you can just use your focus, you can create anything. The difference between Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani is focus. He uses his time to focus on things which are material for getting results. So he asked me, what are you focusing on? So if you are focusing on small stuff, you will get small results. If you are focusing on big results, you will get big stuff. So the honest question, how many of you had big intentions, but the focus got lost somewhere? The hard truth is, to-do list जो है वो to-do ही पड़ी है. अभी भी, मतलब many people buy a new diary, a new planner, a new book, a new tablet, a new phone. नए साल में अचीव करेंगे, प्रोडक्टिविटी मिलेगी. लेकिन उठते फिर सुबह वही लेट है, अलार्म बजता रहता है सुबह 6 बजे, right? So the new declaration is, you do not have to buy any new phone. I'm sorry, Zigar bhai. You do not have to get into a new productivity hack. All that you require to do is just change the focus. So let's look at what will give you that focus. So clarifying 2026 results. So I want you to now sit straight. This is a little exercise. I want you to experience this because this is not a jam session. I want you to genuinely create something of great value. So I want each one of you to sit straight, close your eyes, keep your hands open like this, palms open, meditate. Today is 16th of December 2026. I am taking you 1 year ahead in life. Imagine yourself. Where are you right now? Are you still struggling with your business, with your health, with your life, with your relationships? Are you still trying to figure out your life? Or now see yourself. You are on top of things. You are on top of stuff. You are on top of business. You are maintaining the best health that you can have. You are having the best relationships that you can imagine. See yourself wearing the right clothes. You are fitting into the right clothes. Look at your office. Where are you? Look at your home right now. Where are you? You want to get into a bigger house? You want to get into a bigger business? This is your moment. You are in 2026, December 16. How many of you are now inspired? Don't open your eyes. How many of you are inspired? Just give a thumbs up. This is your life that can be. We are now coming from that life to this moment. So I would request you to kindly create that image a little more clearly. Put a little more light on that. And firm up that image. Firm up that image. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Firm up that image. See yourself in home, with your families, with your business colleagues. See yourself. And gradually take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And open your eyes whenever you're ready. Rub your palms. Put it on your eyes. How does that feel?
Better.
Great. So where did you go? Anyone? One person. Where did you go? What did you see? Yes, please, Niklesh bhai.
So myself in office with my staff interacting 16 December 26.
Very good.
And happily staying with my family at home.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
How many of you actually doubled your turnover? I would like to see that. How many of you actually doubled your turnover? Very good, very good. How many of you got great health? Fantastic. Great health, absolutely. How many of you saw yourself in a bigger house? Fantastic. See, look at yourself. You are not the only one. There are people who are working on health, on business, on goals, on relationships. How many of you saw great relationship with your loved ones? Husband, wife. Yeah? And that is the key. Now the point is, you are not pushing yourself to the new year. You are coming from the future right now, in this moment. And then you are pulled towards it. So, keep moving, sir. So, revenue and profits, lifestyle, impact, clients, whatever that you saw, I want you to remember that for some more time. Because this is going to be etched. This is the reality that you will be getting. Next year when we meet up, we will again discuss this. And you will say, sir, we overachieved our target. That 10 minutes conversation. Move. So igniting your purpose. Now the simple thing is, we discussed this earlier in the first slide. Most people, they decide a vision, they get into action with their to-do list. And वही सबसे बड़ा trap होता है. So what we need is to define the purpose. Until unless you have an emotional connect, a very powerful emotional reason for why you want to achieve what you want to achieve, you will not achieve that. Making it simple, your life, your results are directly in proportion to the emotional bonding you have with your goals. Clear? So I want you to, again, close your eyes and decide for yourself why it is a must for you to achieve those goals. Why is it a must? क्यों अचीव करना है वो गोल? अगर वो नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा? क्यों अचीव करना है? What is your emotional reason? अगर मान लीजिए आपने अचीव नहीं किया तो क्या चेंज हो जाएगा? आपकी लाइफ में क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? अगर वही छोटी जिंदगी जीनी है तो फिर गोल्स बनाने का कोई मतलब नहीं. What is your emotional reason? Is it because you want to give a great life to your family? Is it because you want to contribute to the world? Is it because you want to show to the world that yes, you have arrived? Is it because you want to share your knowledge with the world? Why? Why would you like to achieve that? और वो achieve करने से who else in your life will benefit out of it? Think about it. आपके जीवन में जो उपलब्धियां आप करना चाहते हैं वो अकम्प्लिश करने से और किसको फायदा होगा आपकी लाइफ में? इज इट योर मदर, फादर, वाइफ, हस्बैंड, चिल्ड्रन? Who else will benefit out of it? Clear? Gradually open your eyes, rub on your palms, take a deep breath in. Did you guys find an emotional reason for that? Because if the emotional reason is missing, you don't have the grip on the steering wheel of your life. Most people drive the vehicle of their life holding the rear view mirror of their life. अगर आपकी गाड़ी का स्टीयरिंग व्हील आपके हाथ में नहीं है और रियर व्यू मिरर पकड़ के आप गाड़ी चलाओगे, गाड़ी कहां पहुंचेगी? एक्सीडेंट गारंटीड, हॉस्पिटल ही पहुंचेंगे. My invitation is get hold of the steering wheel of your life. The moment you do that, magic will start to happen. So create that emotional hook. Clear? Now that you have that emotional hook, I want to now open up your notepads that are there in front of you and plan 3 to 5 massive actions that you will take. Don't write right now. I want you to just listen to me. So open up your notepads and write down 3 or 5 massive actions that you will take in the next 30 days. We are not talking 1 year. We are talking next 30 days. Those actions need to be massive actions. That means you can say, I want to connect up with 10 entrepreneurs. I will reach out to do 10 one-on-ones or 15 one-on-ones. I will reach out to create business in the domain of X. I will have, it is not about I will update my website. It is not about some stuff called, okay, I will attend meetings. No, it is about connecting with the 10, those people, reaching out to those destinations where you want to go. So write down 3 to 5, only 3 to 5 actions, massive actions that you will take. So in your domain, you can actually create something like that, right? Creating distributors, creating 5 distributors for my oils, connecting up with 5 distribution points, and giving that distribution. Now that's a massive action. Are you getting the context? So in your domain, what is the action that you can take? Business approach करना है. So let it be measurable and specific. I want to grow my business is not an action. It's a great intention. Clear? What you need is a massive action. 3 चीजें जो अगले 30 दिन में आप करने वाले हैं. और वो चीजें ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि आपको इंस्पायर भी करे और आपको स्केयर भी करे. आपको डर भी लगना चाहिए थोड़ा. डर अच्छा होता है. डर हमें जो है ना वो स्लीप वॉकिंग से बाहर ले जाता है. So I invite you to actually create those 3 to 5 actions, your top priority action pointers. So remember that these actions that you have created in the last 10 minutes now, they are grounded in the emotional hooks that you have. They are grounded in the goals that you have created. Right? And when you are working towards these 3 things, believe you me, you will be able to start the journey forward. You will be able to accomplish now everything because you have already accomplished in mind. Napoleon said this very, very early in life that I won all my wars twice. Once over here, the second time on the battlefield. So you have already won your war number 1. 16th December 2026. Each one of you have a personal goal. Each one of you know why you want to achieve that. And who will make it happy? Who will you make it happy? Right? And now you have 3 to 5 action points. So how many of you have written down those 3 or 5 action pointers? Brilliant. Now, let me ask you a simple question. How many of you got great value in the last 10-12 minutes? Thank you. Thank you. Now, this is the kind of work that we do with business owners every single day. That is what differentiates billionaires versus ordinary people. The 1% of the billionaires, they think like this. So, just move forward. So, I am giving you this screenshot. I'll share this across with you for every one of you to work on it. And here is an invitation. We have been giving invitations, but very few people actually realize the value of free stuff. कोई तो अगर कोई फ्री में दे देना तो लोग उसको पेपर वेट बना देते हैं. तो मेरा आप लोगों से ये अनुरोध है कि आज शाम को 7 बजे we are actually having a longer session which is about 1.5 hours long. Right? 90 minutes of your time. If you are slightly clear about this, you can scan this code and you can register yourself for the 7 o'clock meeting. This will be very specifically for NYB members and a few members of our community. So that what we say, 1000 members by 27, वो कैसे अचीव करना है उसका गेम प्लान जो है we can work it out. Right? It is not just about Malad and Kandivali chapter, but maybe all over Bombay, all over India. Right? So कैसे अचीव करना है? We can do that. So scan this and thank you so much for your time, and I genuinely want to acknowledge all your participation. Thank you so much. God bless.